Okay, well, not everybody's getting this, but it's just, distribute the lambda, right? Now, how can these two be equal? Well, the only way they can be equal is if 2x equals 2 lambda and 2y equals 5 lambda, right? Okay? Make sense? You fill in the blanks. Make sure I get it right. So if you eliminate lambda, you get y equals 5 halves x, right? You don't really care what lambda is. Okay? Well, have you seen that before? Yeah, we used that to get this, right? And what did we do when we got that? Well, we plugged that into our constraint, right? Yeah, got to remember where that came from because that's not the board anymore, but now make sure I get my coefficients right, okay? And you get the same thing as before. Okay? Well, how does your book state this? Pretty much the same way I did. I think, I don't have the book open in front of me. They state it like this. Okay? For this function, g of xy is 2x plus 5y minus 4, right? Because our constraint, where did I write it down? Here's our constraint, right? Saying this is equal to 4 is the same as saying 2x plus 5y minus 4 is 0, right? So this states exactly the same thing this does, if you let g of xy equal this. In other words, whatever your constraint is, bring everything onto one side and have 0 on the other, right? And that gives you your g of xy function. And you take its gradient. Set it equal to a multiple of the gradient, well, set a multiple of that equal to the gradient of f, and you've got it. Okay? Now, geometrically, why do we do that? Well, I'm probably not going to push you that far today. It just comes down to, well, this is a surface in three-dimensional space. And this is a level curve of that surface. Okay? And a gradient of a level curve gives you the direction perpendicular to the level curve, which should be parallel to the gradient of your function, okay? Your function f. But I probably need to draw pictures. We've only got 10 minutes left. And if you understand everything that we've done here, then you're ready to solve these problems. Okay? Because most of the problems don't require understanding of why we call that a level surface and why that's the condition in terms of three-dimensional geometry. Okay?